Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to screen record on your MacBook. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you want to open up your QuickTime Player. So to do this, you can go ahead to the Spotlight search at the top right there. And on the Spotlight search, you're going to write down QuickTime Player. And you're going to open it up. Now, once you will open up, you can actually just cancel this one. And at the top, you will see option file, or you can also go here. What you need to do is choose new screen recording. And after that, this will pop up where you can capture entire screen, capture selected window, or capture selected portion. So you're going to choose what you want to capture. And here you can also choose record entire screen or just selected portion. After you will do that, you can go to options. And here on the microphone, if you want to record not only the screen, but also audio, then you're going to choose your microphones. For me, it would be Blue Snowball. You can also choose an option where to save your video to on a desktop or on QuickTime Player or some other location you want. And after that, all you have to do, just gonna make it a little bit bigger, you're gonna click record and it will record your screen and also what you're talking. After you've done with that, you can go ahead and click right there at the top. As you can see, right there at the top, you can click on it and it will stop recording. And here is your recorded video. Now to export it, you can click on the file right there at the top, click export, and as you can see, you can export it at the highest quality, just like so. Then you're gonna export it and write down its name, where, and the greater compatibility, and you're gonna save it. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.